Kimberly with Mystic Mountain Homestead and Skiatook Bee Supply, and I'm really excited today because last night we finished making our rendered pig fat, which is rendering lard, and I did a really some calculations on it. We paid $12 for the fat from the butcher, and I was able to get 6 full quarts of lard for this coming season to use, and then 2 half pints. So that was really good because I use a lot of cooking oil and fats to cook with, like for eggs and things like that, or sauteing. And this will give my meat and everything I cook and my vegetables good flavor. And it will replace some of the other oils that I use. So with the lard, I can use higher temperatures in cooking. And I'm a big fan of olive oil, but I really like using lard too. And this will make pie crust and wonderful things like that.
You said you paid for it from the butcher, but if you're also having an animal butcher, you can ask them to save the lard too, correct?
Absolutely. It's just I wanted to get a little bit ahead before we actually butcher a hog. And so I have talked to the butcher and said, hey, will you save me some of your pig fat if the owners don't want it? And so they sell it to me, and I've been getting it for $1 a pound. And I got to figuring for a big bottle of olive oil, which would be a comparison to one of these jars, I pay about $16 to $18. So going on the low end of that, each one of these was paying them $12 for the fat. Using that, I got all these for $104. And so that's going to carry me a long way. And I didn't have to pay the $16 to $18 for the olive oil. I'm going to save my olive oil for just special dishes and things like that. And this gives meat and your like your really lean meat, you can put a little bit in your pan with that to give it a little flavor. You can use it in just about any type of cooking. But not only did I get the lard, we also had the cracklings that we rendered, and I have those over here. And I've already bagged up a lot of them. I'm just putting a couple nice spoonsful into each bag. I'll put in the freezer. And these cracklings have all the meat, and they smell really wonderful. It smells almost like bacon. But I'll put these into these Ziploc bags, and then I'll add it to my cornbread, or you can also add it to dishes like chili and things like that when you're making it, just to add a little extra flavor.
That's really cool. Okay, everybody, remember to like, subscribe, and smash that thumbs up button.